So a video for the GellyBall community on the G2's battery replacement. It's a little unethical how I do it. Most people would probably throw a fit. However, what I do is I put you got plenty of room to tuck the connector back in. Take your battery, you put it in there just like that. The connector's tucked back in. You put your white one right there. Boom, just like that. I put the battery door on, make sure the white one's flat. Boom, done. To take the battery out and switch them out, take your thumb. Hope I can do this for you. The ears on these battery doors are much smaller on the G2s compared to the G1s. So they actually snap out real fast. You just take your thumb and just kind of pull it apart, literally just a little bit, and they'll pop right out. Take your white, boom, done. Put it back in. Tuck your wires, like I said, take your door, put it back on, boom, done. It's that easy. I don't know, a little unethical. You can't do it with the G1s because the G1s, the ears on the door, on the battery door, those ears are bigger on the G1s. But on the G2s, you can just snap them right in, bam. Do it a lot faster than any other way. And sometimes these G2s, the battery wires are shorter and you can't do it anyway, so you have to push that connector back in there. My buddy, he brings the connector all the way up, sets it all in there nice. I can do these in half the time just with that battery door. And if you're worried about snapping ears, if you don't get your thumb in there just right and maybe you snap an ear, I have not snapped an ear yet. I literally, boom. But they sell these battery doors on the dealer page for like $1 a piece. So buy some extras if you're worried about it. Easiest way to do it, take the door off, pop your battery out. Boom, done.